primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. When you mix red and yellow, you get orange. When you mix red with blue, you get purple. When you mix blue with yellow, you get green. This is what the color wheel looks like all together. Roy, red, orange, yellow. G, Biv, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Roy, G, Biv. If you can remember, the three primary colors are red, yellow, and blue, and that all the other colors come from mixing them, you can create any color you need to make your bird as beautiful as possible. When coloring, follow the direction that the feathers go in. Imagine that you're petting the bird and you don't want the feathers to get ruffled. You want to be smoothing the feathers. Therefore, you color in the direction that the feathers go in. Make the edge of your colors fade off and then lay the next color on top of the previous layer of colors. That way it'll look like different colored feathers layered on top of each other.